Acid-base equilibrium, acid-base buffers. In this tutorial, we will be going over the definition of an acid-base buffer, the function of a buffer, the formation of a buffer, the impact of the common ion effect on the pH of a buffer solution, and finally some worked examples. Definition of an acid-base buffer. Buffers are solutions of weak conjugate acid-base pairs that can resist drastic changes in pH upon the addition of small amounts of strong acid or strong base. A buffer contains either a significant amount of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or a significant amount of a weak base and its conjugate acid. So examples of some buffers are acetic acid, HC2H3O2, which is a weak acid, and its conjugate base, C2H3O2-1, which is the acetate ion, ammonium, NH4+1, which is a weak acid, and ammonia, NH3, which is a weak base. Function of a buffer. Buffers have the ability to neutralize a certain amount of a strong acid or strong base, depending on how much of these substances are added to the solution. As long as the amount of the added strong acid or strong base is less than the amounts of weak acid, weak base in the solution, pH changes are minimal. Formation of a buffer. There are a number of different ways that buffer solutions are formed. The first is a strong base neutralizes part of a weak acid, and as a result, the conjugate weak base is formed. A strong acid neutralizes part of a weak base, and the conjugate weak acid is formed. Solutions of a weak acid and the salt of a conjugate base are combined together. Solutions of a weak base and the salt of a conjugate acid. Let's do some practice identifying buffer solutions. Which of the following solute pairs form a buffer solution? So our first two solutes are HNO2 and HCl. If you looked at these two solutes and thought, that is not going to form a buffer, you are right. No, that is not a buffer solution. And the reason why it's not a buffer solution is because HNO2 is a weak acid and HCl is a strong acid. In order for this to be a buffer solution, we need a conjugate acid-base pair. Let's look at our next one, HNO3 and NaNO3. If you thought, no, that's definitely not a buffer, you are correct as well. And the reason why is HNO3 is a strong acid and NO3-1 is the conjugate base of the strong acid. We do need conjugate acid-base pairs, but we need a conjugate acid-base pair between a weak acid and its conjugate base, or a weak base and its conjugate acid. Let's look at the next solution, HNO2 and NaCl. If your response to this one was no, you are correct again. And the reason why is HNO2 is a weak acid and NaCl is an ionic salt with no impact at all on pH, because the Na ion is the conjugate acid of a strong base and therefore has negligible acidity, and the Cl ion is the conjugate base of a strong acid, also with no negligible impact on pH. HNO2 and NaNO2, at this point you're probably thinking, yes, this is a buffer solution, and you would be correct. And the reason why it is a buffer solution is because HNO2 is a weak acid and NO2-1 is the conjugate weak base of the weak acid. So remember, buffers are composed of weak conjugate acid-base pairs. That's how you're going to recognize a buffer solution. The impact of the common ion effect on the pH of a buffer solution. Example, does the pH increase, decrease, or remain the same in each scenario? NaNO2 is added to a solution of HNO2. Let's start with the chemical equation for the strong electrolyte. So that would be NaNO2 dissociates into Na+1 ions and NO2-1 ions. Then we'll write the chemical equation for the equilibrium system. That's HNO2 ionizing into H+1 and NO2-1. The stress on the system here is the increase in the NO2-1 concentration. That is because NO2-1 is a common ion shared between the two systems. The response to this stress is a shift to favor reactants. As a result of this stress, there's going to be a decrease in the concentration of hydrogen ions due to an increase in the nitrite ions as a common ion. So the H+1 ions will be consumed to form the weak acid HNO2, and our concentration of our H+1 ions will decrease. The solution becomes less acidic. Well, yes, because we have less hydrogen ions in solution. NO2-1 is the conjugate base of a weak acid, therefore the pH increases. And finally, the solution becomes more basic. To answer the question, how does the pH change? In this scenario, the pH will increase. Let's look at another example. CH3NH3Cl is added to a solution of CH3NH2. The chemical equation for the strong electrolyte is CH3NH3Cl dissociating into CH3NH3 plus 1 and Cl minus 1. The chemical equation for the equilibrium system is the weak base CH3NH2 reacting with water to form CH3NH3 plus 1 and the hydroxide ion. The stress on the system is an increase in the concentration of CH3NH3 plus 1 because this is a common ion shared between the two systems. So the response is a shift to favor reactants. As a result, there will be a decrease in the concentration of hydroxide ions due to an increase in the CH3NH3 plus 1 as the common ion. So our concentration of hydroxide ions will decrease. The solution will become less basic. The CH3NH3 plus 1 is the conjugate acid of a weak base. Therefore, the pH will decrease. So the solution becomes more acidic. Overall, the pH of this system will decrease. Potassium bromide added to a solution of hydrobromic acid. The chemical equation for the strong electrolyte is KBr dissociating into K plus 1 and Br minus 1 ions. The chemical equation for the equilibrium system is the strong acid HBr ionizing to form hydrogen ions and bromine ions. The stress on the system is an increase in Br minus 1 ions. The response is that there is no impact on pH. The result of this stress is that adding KBr has no effect on the overall pH of the system. HBr is a strong acid. Br minus 1 has a negligible effect on pH. Br minus 1 has a negligible base strength and will not become HBr again. So what did you learn? We talked about the definition of an acid-base buffer, the function of a buffer, the formation of a buffer, the impact of the common ion effect on the pH of a buffer solution, and then we did some worked examples. Need more help? Feel free to contact me. Have a great day.